we're very happy. I'm happy personally for the school. You know naman that NU is a small school, and yet we were able to overcome a lot of things to get here. I know this is just the pre-season. It's a long way to go for us, but for today, we want to celebrate it. Okay, it is a big victory for the school, for the organization.
Let's talk about the game against what made it difficult, especially in the first half, and
yeah, well, I really have to give it to LaSalle. They surprised a lot of teams this season, this tournament, and as we expected it, they're going to play very good defense against us. I think they did a good job against Bobby Ray early, and I felt we lost our discipline in the first half. But what I like about the boys is they play for each other. Okay, when we were struggling, you could see even in the court they were huddling up. They were trying to communicate, trying to encourage one another, and I think that's the big difference of our team now compared to last year. This team is together. So I'm just happy that we were able to get to this point of the tournament. Like just being in the finals was already good for me, but winning it is more sweeter.
Coach, do you think did you make a surprise na rin sa other teams by winning this championship?
Yes, kasi yung mga natalo din namin this tournament, yun din yung mga nahirapan kami last season eh. So at least I know UAAP is a completely different tournament, but at least in the back of the minds of these teams na tinalo namin, at least they'll be wary against us, and at least meron namang konting takot when they play against us. Dati pag pumapasok kami ng court, parang kaming takot sa kalaban eh, di ba? So at least we have that confidence already coming into the UAAP.
So coach, after the pre-season and a month before the UAAP, how can you assess your team and what do you think is still lacking?
I still believe kahit nanalo kami, we're still a work in progress eh. That's why I told the boys after yung huddle namin ngayon, briefing namin, that let's use this championship, let's use this victory to motivate us to get better, to improve ourselves. Hindi yung parang magre-relax na kami, we will be complacent, and then now we will think that we just have to show up and win the game. So I will remind the boys, I continue to remind the boys na we're just good at our last game. Diba? Coming into the UAAP, 0-0 lahat yan eh.
Erase mo na yung competition.
Nakaroon ba ng tendency na pa sa kalaban nyo dito niya yung UAAP parang mahirapan kayo?
Yeah, I think so. I believe so. Kasi unang-una, they know now how to play us. Alright, number two, everybody is after us now. Everybody would prepare for us. So I think that's also another motivating factor for us para to improve and prepare very well in the coming UAAP season.
Coach, yung malaking factor this tournament si MB, talagang yung last year talagang ibang-iba yung laro niya from itong mga time.
Yeah, well, MB had a lot of personal problems last year. Nobody knew that, but remember he was out of the off-season last year. He didn't play for us the whole off-season. He had a personal problem, so when he came back, he didn't even join our training camp last year, so he was really out of sync in terms of the team, and then he was able to regain his form in the second round last year, so but after the season, we had talk, and he gave his commitment that he's going to really focus this year, and I think he showed it. I think I'm very proud of his improvement. He's now a 3-point shooter. That's another weapon for us eh. Kasi alam naman natin when you say NU, it's always Bobby Ray Park. We try to to add other players, involve other players in terms of scoring.
Coach, NU and LaSalle for the finalists, hindi kayo pumasok sa Final Four. So would you say na is it a wide open race now for the Final Four with both teams entering the finals of the Phil Oil?
I think so. Winning the Phil Oil does not guarantee us the Final Four. It's still everybody still has a lot of chances to make it. Alam naman natin the other teams are as competitive as us. Just so happened that probably we were a little bit sharper than the others during this tournament.
Coach, si Bobby Ray Park, he was already dominant last year in the UAAP. What changed or what's the biggest improvement na helped your team to win this championship in Bobby Ray?
Si Bobby Ray kasi more than the scoring, there's a lot of intangibles that he gives the team. If you notice, he's our number one stopper also. If there's a guy that we need to stop, we give it to him. So doble ang trabaho niya. And aside from that, he's our spiritual leader. So he has matured a lot from last year. He has learned how to cope up with the calls of the refs, the physicality. Okay, so naiintindihan niya how the game is played here. Kasi alam mo naman, nung bago siya last year, parang pag nabangga mo siya, he reacts to it and then he loses his focus. But this year, kind of given him already a mindset na this is how it's going to be played, then I have to be ready for this type of game. So, and of course, si Bobby Ray, siya yung number one player that really works hard in practice. So if your leader works hard in practice, everybody follows it. May hiya ka sa kanya kasi he never relaxes in practice. Talagang always intense, always committed. And then he holds everybody accountable. When you're slacking, he'll tell you straight. But in a nice way. And I think that's also one of the reasons why the team is closer, because of him.
Coach,